The 2025 Jetta GLI Autobahn commands attention with its aggressive yet refined styling. Brought to you by Berge Volkswagen, featuring a honeycomb grille, red accent lines, and bold 18-inch alloy wheels, it brings sporty flair to the sedan segment. Full LED lighting and subtle GLI badging round out a clean, performance-driven look. Under the hood, the GLI packs a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine pushing out 228 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. Whether paired with a 6-speed manual or 7-speed automatic, it delivers exhilarating acceleration. A sport-tuned suspension, limited slip differential, and strong brakes provide sharp handling and confident control. The rear seats offer generous space for passengers, especially for a compact sedan. Ample legroom and a comfortable bench design make longer rides more enjoyable. Rear air vents and soft touch materials enhance the upscale feel for backseat riders. Step inside to a driver-focused cockpit trimmed in upscale materials and contrast stitching. The GLI Autobahn features perforated leather seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and red accents throughout. Ambient lighting and a digital cockpit add to its premium, sporty vibe. The 2025 GLI includes IQ.DRIVE, Volkswagen's suite of advanced safety features. Standard tools like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning with autonomous emergency braking help keep you protected on all sides. Tech-forward and intuitive, the Jetta GLI Autobahn comes equipped with a 10.25-inch digital Cockpit Pro, an 8-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Beats audio sound system. Navigation and voice control make every drive smarter and more connected. Push-button start, keyless access, dual-zone climate control, and a power-adjustable driver's seat come standard. Wireless charging and multiple USB-C ports add everyday ease, while the hands-free trunk makes loading cargo simple. The 2025 VW Jetta GLI 2.0T Autobahn blends everyday usability with sports sedan thrills. With sharp styling, engaging performance, and upscale features inside and out, it's a compelling choice for drivers who want fun without sacrificing comfort or practicality. You can view our selection at bergevw.com, give us a call at 480-646-4858, or visit our showroom today.